Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to export Anki deck as CSV file. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so open Anki and find the deck you want to export. So let's say I want to export this one here. So click gear icon right here at the right side and then to export. In the export format, select plain text. So notes in plain text like that. Um, so this Anki export as TXT file, but the data inside is formatted exactly like a CSV, comma or tab separated values. Now uncheck include scheduling information. So uncheck that if you have, unless you want to list of when your cards are due. Now click export button and save the file to your computer. Yes. All right. So now we have exported our file. Okay. So as I mentioned, now this is saved as TXT file. So let's go to the files here in the computer. Download. And what we are going to do is, let's say we want to do that here like that and rename it, that it won't be PDF right here, but CSV file like so. Click enter. And now let's say, doesn't matter where you want to open up. So let's say I want to open up in Google Sheets like that, blank sheet, and go to the file, import, and now I will upload it from here. So from my computer. Sorry, I was too quick. So here you go to the file, import, then upload from computer, browse, and then select this file. It will take a moment, import data. And just like that, as you can see, is basically like we predicted. So it is a CSV file. And yeah, this is then how you can export CSV file in from Anki. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next